Hey y'all, welcome into Front Porch Conviviality here at Bales Farms. I'm your host Barry Bales and the lovely Allison Bales here. Thanks for joining us. It's been a while since we last visited with you and I apologize for that. Much like I'm sure your world, our world has been kooky, crazy, busy, and it's just hard to find time to sit down and do this as farmers and as people that are living life. So here we are, we're back. We're glad to be with you. It is just about fall. We had 83 degrees today, and I think the high pretty much the next 2 or 3 weeks is supposed to be in the 60s. So come on.
Bring it.
Come on, fall. I'm ready.
We have one tree that looks lovely.
Yeah.
And fallish.
Well, that's a black gum. That starts changing
Right.
about the end of July.
But I just wanted to point it out.
Yeah, it's
for
nice.
those people who may be here for the scenery.
It's nice.
And
Well,
not
don't
us.
the mountains look pretty down through there?
Yep. It is a beautiful. I hope you all can see the sunset. It is beautiful.
That's down towards Sevierville. Hey, Dolly. So we're going to try to keep this short and sweet because we know you have better things to do. You may notice that normally we each try to have our own specialty cocktail to share with you and enjoy here on the porch on a Friday night. But today we have champagne. So you may be saying, well, what's up with that? Well, I'm going to tell you. We're celebrating, and we hope you will find this news as exciting as we do. After a long time, months and months and months and months of hard work, particularly on Allison's part, we are proud and set to announce the launch of.
Dun, 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 dun.
I wish Derek Mixon or somebody was here to give me a drum roll. To launch the Bales Farms Cookbook. Doesn't seem real. This is our proof copy. We have them, they're being printed as we speak. So we are thrilled to announce tonight that they are now available for pre-order. The schedule we've been given is that we should have them in hand
November 1st-ish.
First-ish week of November. And we will be ready to start sending them out for the holidays. Lots of great things to make for your people at Thanksgiving in here. And, of course, these are going to make unbelievable, very popular Christmas gifts.
Yes.
So, go to the website. And I am not a great video editor, but I'm going to try to have superimposed on the website and hopefully somewhere on here a link that you can click to go to the cookbook for the pre-order. If I fail at that, just go to the website, balesfarmstn.com, and it will be in the store under Home Goods, or you can search for cookbook, and there will be the order for the option for pre-order. So there are 75 recipes in here.
75 plus, depending on.
Let me give them a little bit better close-up.
Depending on how you count them, because I counted your barbecue pork shoulder, and it has our homemade barbecue sauce in it, which is lovely and very easy. So some people count that as 2 recipes. I just counted that as 1. Also, your amazing steak that we do on the big green egg has our has a sauce with it, and so some people would call that 2 recipes, and I just put it under 1.
Okay, 147 pages. You know what one of my favorite pages is?
What?
One of my favorite pages is page 3.
What's on page 3, Barry?
Well, that would be the forward.
Who wrote the foreword in the book for us?
That would be Miss Dolly Parton.
Dolly Parton
Or should
wrote
I
the
just say?
foreword.
Should I just say Dolly?
Our sweet little Dolly Parton.
Yep.
wrote the foreword for us. So
That's worth the cost of the book right there.
You get Dolly's signature. When you buy this book, Dolly's signature is in it.
Yeah.
That is worth the cost of the book.
So yes, Dolly was unbelievably, but yet totally believably gracious, as she always is, and
kind and full
agreed to
of
do
loving
it.
kindness.
Yes, was way more than I was hoping for and expected. So we're very thankful for that. Thank you, Dolly.
Yes, the busiest person
Pretty
that
much.
anyone knows.
Yeah. So, okay, that's it. We're going to let you go back to your Friday night activities or Saturday morning, depending on when you're watching this. And yeah, there you have it.
There you have it.
So, well, let's toast to the cookbook. Well done.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
Well done to you.
So, I've been testing it, trying to make sure that the pre-ordering, all that goes smoothly. So, if anybody has any issues, if you find anything that's wrong, any problems, please email me. And we are at balesfarmstn@gmail.com. And let me know if there's any issues.
Hit us up on any of the social media sites.
You will be, if for those of you that have never ordered from us before, you will be required to set up an account. Like the first thing, it'll ask you for your zip code, because we're not to the point where we're shipping meat yet, but we've got a separate setup where we can ship this
As well as
merchandise, yeah, in the continental U.S.
Right.
So therefore, you need to put in your zip code so it can do all its ones and zeros and figure out, okay, yeah, that works.
Right.
And you'll create an account, and you will not, it's pre-order, nobody will be charged until your book ships. So no worries there.
But it does give us an idea.
Yeah, and we want to be able to hit
Of
the ground
numbers.
running and get these things out to you, as I said before, so that you can make a lot of this deliciousness for your friends and family at Thanksgiving, and get them, get your early Christmas shopping done, because there's a lot of container ships sitting off the coast of California, and
These are not on container ships.
No. They are in the good old U.S. of A.
United States.
Yes. But there's lots of things that are going to be sparse this year.
But not this.
These are not one of them. So anyway, enough.
And it's a usable cookbook. It's not a cookbook that you're going to put on a shelf and not
It's from
use
a
it
cook.
because
No, it's from a cook, not a chef. It's from somebody that on a daily basis cooks tasty, hearty, filling, easy to make things that make us farmers happy. So what more could you ask for? So anyway, y'all come, let us know how it goes. Jump on the website, pre-order, and we'll get these out to you just the second they come in. And we hope everybody has a great weekend, and thanks for tuning in. And we will see you right here on the porch next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.